In the neighborhood of the Bronx, 5 are dead.
The killer taunted authorities by writing 2 letters, both signed Son of Sam.
Hello?
How long has it been since you left here? It's not okay, you continuing like this.
Is anyone there?
It's been happening like this.
Leave me alone!
People are getting nuts out there in that heat.
What is it? You in some sort of trouble?
Somebody got shot in the face 3 blocks from here the other night.
It's like someone is genuinely trying to scare me.
This place, this country is changing.
It's like a war zone.
Something much more sinister than that.
Have you not learned anything from looking out from up here?
Leave me alone!
The world only gives you back what you give it.
No!